BOTRS wireless truck parking sensor system. The radar sensor detects obstacles when reversing. The main unit sends detection data to the display wirelessly. No complicated wiring is required. Installation is significantly easier. The display shows accurate obstacle, distance, and position, with real human voice alerts. As the distance closes in, the system gives a stop voice warning to alert the driver. Effectively solves the problem of large blind spots when trucks reverse. The system provides customizable alert modes. The display angle can also be adjusted as needed. BOTRS wireless truck parking sensor system. Wireless, no wiring required. Efficient, effortless, reassuring.